Hi, my name is Cindy Edwards and I'm going to teach you a little bit about Chisenbop. Chisenbop is thought originally to come from Korea, and it's sort of like using an abacus on your hands though. So here you've got your left hand being your tens column and your right hand being your ones column. So let's count and I'll show you how this works. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is where it's a little different. 5. Your thumb counts as 5. Then you go 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and remember now we're in our tens column, so we need to put all of our ones down. And this is 10. And so now we're going to count by tens. So I can show you that. 10, 20, 30, 40, and we have to put these down, 50. Then we got 60, 70, 80, and 90. So as you can see, you can go clear to 99 with Chisenbop. You can even do some addition and subtraction problems with it. Let's start with addition. 6. Do you remember what 6 is? We're going to put all of our fingers down here because we're not working the tens column right now. The thumb is worth 5. So then you put one more finger up and that equals 6. So here we go, we've got 6 here, and we're going to add 3. So we're going to put up 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. And that equals 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 5 plus 3 is 9. Now we're going to do a little bit more difficult of a problem. We are going to go to 6. Remember what 6 is? 5, 6. And then we're going to add 4. Now watch this. This is a little more tricky. 1, 2, 3. So this is 9 so far. Now we got to put everything down because we're getting into the tens. 4. So there we go. The answer is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. What if we want to do even more of a difficult problem? See if you can keep up with this. We've got 28 here. Now first we're going to look at the tens column, 2. So we've got 20 here, 20 and 8. So we've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 28. And we're going to add 7. So here we go. 1, now we're going to the tens column. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and remember our thumb is worth 5, so now we got to put up our thumb, 7. So the answer is 35. So there you go, 28 plus 7 is 35. Now, can you do subtraction? Yes, you can do subtraction. Some people even say you can do multiplication, but I'm not going that far. So we're going to switch our sign to subtraction. Put up all of our fingers, get ready. And for our subtraction problem, we're going to do 10 minus 2. Okay, do you remember what your 10 is? We're going to the tens column. So this 1 equals 10. We need to put all of these down. This is worth 10. and then we subtract 2. So 1 and 2. So the answer is 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I'll do one more subtraction problem. And if you get confused, just watch it again. And the more you practice, the quicker you'll get. Some people are even so good that they can do it just as fast as a calculator. All right, we're gonna do, oops, 38 minus 5. So we got our tens column, and that's 30. So 10, 20, 30, and 8 would be 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're going to subtract 5. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got 33. And that is the answer to that problem. So we've got our 30 and we've got our 33. 38 minus 5 is 33. So there you go, there's Chisenbop for you.
Okay guys, we're going to try to multiply our 6, 7, 8s, and 9s using our hands. It's a fairly easy process, and I like to use it because a lot of times I don't have my 7 and 8s completely memorized, and so this just gives me another option. Also, the other advantage is it will work with, there's no real exceptions, it'll work for all the numbers. Okay, here we go. The first thing you do is, if you'll notice, I have each hand numbered the same way. So I have 6 at my pinky, 7 ring finger, 8 is my middle finger, 9 is my index, and you can see my thumb is 10. And the exact same thing on the other side. We've got 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, let's go ahead and see how this works. And let's start off with 8 times 7. So the first process, what you do is you touch on the left hand, your 8, and touch it to the right finger. And so these are fingers. And the first step is you count fingers above, and you will multiply these. So I have 1, 2 above, and I will multiply that by 1, 2, 3. So I have 2 times 3, which equals 6. Next, the fingers touching or below, I multiply by 10. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's the little pinky. And so 5 times 10 is 50. And add that to my 6 that I got from the fingers above, and that equals 56. Okay? So I'll speed up the process a little bit here now. Let's go 6 times 6. So I touch 6 times 6. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 above. 1, 2, 3, 4 above. 4 times 4 is 16. I have 2 touching. 20 plus 16 equals 36. Okay, let's go with one that I've always, takes me a while to remember every time. Let's go with 9 times 8. So if you look at my fingers, I have 9 touching 8. Above, I have 1 times 1, 2. And then touching, 1 times 2 is 2. And then touching, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 70 plus 2 is equal to 72. Okay, and finally, let's go with 6 times 8. I'll do it fairly quickly, just to show you that it's really pretty effective. 6 touching 8, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 above. 4 times 1, 2 is 8, plus below I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 40 plus 8 is 48, so 6 times 8 equals 48.